Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about social media do's and don'ts for your brand. Social media is an essential tool for building your brand and engaging with your audience, but it's important to use it wisely. In this video, we'll cover some important do's and don'ts to help you make the most of your social media presence. Do 1 is to have a consistent brand voice. Your brand voice is the tone and personality of your brand. It's important to have a consistent voice across all of your social media platforms to help build brand recognition and establish trust with your audience. Whether your brand voice is playful, informative, or serious, make sure it's consistent and reflects your brand values. Don't 1 is to ignore negative feedback. Social media can be a double-edged sword, and negative feedback is bound to happen. It's important to acknowledge negative comments and feedback, address the issue, and offer a solution. Ignoring negative feedback can damage your brand reputation and discourage engagement. Do 2 is to use visuals wisely. Visuals are a powerful tool for catching your audience's attention and conveying your message. Use high-quality images and videos that align with your brand and message. Also, make sure you're using visuals that are legally allowed for use and that you have the proper permissions to use them. Don't 2 is to overshare personal information. While it's important to be transparent and authentic on social media, oversharing personal information can be detrimental to your brand. Stick to sharing information that's relevant to your brand and message, and avoid oversharing personal information that could turn off your audience. Do 3 is to engage with your audience. Social media is all about building relationships and engaging with your audience. Respond to comments and messages, ask for feedback, and create content that encourages conversation and community building. Don't 3 is to be too salesy. While social media is a great tool for promoting your brand and products, it's important not to be too salesy. Focus on building relationships and providing value to your audience, and avoid using every post as a sales pitch. Those are some important do's and don'ts for your brand on social media. Remember, social media is an opportunity to build relationships and engage with your audience, so use it wisely. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.